The easiest and the simplest method to make money online by giving a freelancing service online. First, what is freelancing? Freelancing is giving a service online on Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. Now I will show you Lowcompetionfiverrgigs to make money online from home. Make sure to subscribe now and click the like button and comment. I will reply to you. Let's start our video. The next gig is jersey design. Let's see together. Jersey You see 730 people are providing this gig. It is a very low competition. When you publish this gig, you can rank easily to start. Learn by using YouTube. Let's see together. Jersey design. You see how to make a jersey design, learn on YouTube and provide these skills on Fiverr. The next gig is email design. Let's see this gig. Email design. You see this gig is 4,890 people are providing this service. You can learn this as the same as other gig. Learn on YouTube. Email design. Let's see together. You see how to create a newsletter for best marketing results. You can learn so many videos available on YouTube. Learn and be professional to provide this service on Fiverr. The next gig is job descriptions. Let's see together this gig. You see 830 people only provide this service. You can rank your gig on this Lowcompetionfiverr gig. Learn these skills, job descriptions on YouTube. Let's search these keywords on YouTube. You see a lot of videos available on job descriptions. And publish your gig on this category and make money online. The next gig is data engineering. Let's see together this gig on Fiverr. Data engineering. You see 265 people are providing this service. You can start to learn now. Let's show you on YouTube these skills. Data engineering skill. Let's search on YouTube. You see a free knowledge from YouTube. Learn these skills and provide on Fiverr. The next gig is website header or website banner. Let's write website header. You see 819 people are providing this website header or website banner. You can learn on these skills on YouTube or other online websites course provider like Coursera or Udemy, free courses, and provide this service on Fiverr and rank easily and make money online from your home. The next gig is marketing advice. Let's see this gig. Marketing advice. You see 100 people providing this service marketing advice. You can establish your gig and easily rank for this low competition Fiverr gig. Let's show you these videos on YouTube to learn marketing advisor. Let's search. You see a lot of videos available on YouTube. Learn and be professional to provide this service. The next gig is add copy. Let's see together this also. Add copy. You see 2039 people only providing this service. You see their ranking, their top rated seller this gig. I will write high converting sales copy for landing pages. 446 people are provided this service. You can work from your home. The next gig is writing advice. Let's see this one also. Writing advice. You see 90 people only providing this service on Fiverr. This also very easy to rank and get more order and provide this service for your customer. Before that, learn these skills before you establish your gig. Let's see tutorials on YouTube. You see a lot of videos available on YouTube. Learn by yourself and provide this service and make money from your comfort of your home. The last gig is travel website. Let's show you this gig travel website. You see 1180 people are providing this service. You see you can rank on this website easily. Let's show you a video how to make travel websites videos on YouTube. see a lot of videos available on YouTube. You can learn for free and make money on Fiverr. And additionally on Udemy, learn free courses on Udemy. Let's search travel websites. You see a paid and a free courses available on Udemy. Let's search, go to price, free courses. You see without any payment, free courses available, 721 courses available. Learn from your home and make money online. This is our today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. See you later.